Hi, this is Patty, and you're listening to Patty's Corner. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to my corner. And it's February. And what's February? It's Love Month. But we're not gonna talk about that. It's on a later episode pa. Anyway, me. Oh my gosh, February. Lumipas na yung January. Super chronically online ako. I'm always online. I think I should limit my, scrolling chronically online to the point na talagang halos lahat ng memes I know her. Anyway, sa kaka-scroll kong ganyan, as usual, as you know, ang hilig kong magbasa ng threads, 'di ba? So meron akong nakita dito, ang sabi niya, 2026, alisin mo na sa utak mo yung takot na maging corny o baduy. Mabigat sa pakiramdam yan. Haha. Maging malaya ka. Kung may ideas ka, gawin mo na. Kung may mahal o gusto ka, sabi ko sa'yo, aminin mo na yan. Ang pusong totoo, walang takot. I like that because for the longest time, as I've said before, talagang ayokong mag-podcast, ayokong show myself online. Pero gusto kong gumawa ng content. Very, very funny. Kasi gusto mong gumawa ng content, pero ayaw mo namang mag-upload. So, ano yun? Anong point, di ba? Tapos nung medyo tumanda-tanda na ako, nung nag-30 na ako, I was like, I need to do this. Kesa naman pagsisihan ko siya or kesa naman gawin ko siya kapag 40 na ako. So, here I am doing this podcast. Kahit ewan ko if I make sense, but I think I do make sense sometimes. And then, there's this quote that I saw again, but this one is in Instagram. It says, "Life's too short to be mysterious. Be wildly obsessed with the things and people you love." Exactly. Ang short ng buhay, alam mo 'yun. Like hindi mo alam kailan ka mamamatay. Like my grandfather, he was very healthy. Sumasakit lang yung paa niya, like yung tuhod niya every now and then, but it's just that wala naman siya sakit. As in, tapos he just slept and then poof, gone. Hindi mo talaga alam, like, kung may sakit ka or kung wala kang sakit, hindi mo talaga alam kailan ka talaga kukunin ni Lord. Kaya, I advocate this every time na meron akong makita tapos someone would tell me na, "Oh, I wanna do this, I wanna do vlogging, I wanna go hiking, I wanna go." Girl, you should do it. Whatever you thought of, kung kaya mong gawin, gawin mo na. Life's too short. Huwag kang papatay-patay diyan. Gawin mo na lahat ng gusto mo. Period. Kasi ang ikli ng buhay mo, hindi mo alam kung kailan maybe you'll be gone tomorrow or later. You don't even know. Like, gawin mo na talaga kung anong gusto mo kasi ang ikli lang ng buhay. Tsaka, you only have this one life. Hindi mo man alam kung mare-reincarnate ka or what. Like, if ever, kung mare-reincarnate ka, would you even remember this life that you're living right now? I really advocate that you do the things that you love and you do express love to the people that you love. So sometimes medyo guilty ako doon because I'm not that sweet. So I'm not very like godly or I don't say I love you that much to people. But I do show that I do love them. I may kamusta, ganyan. Like, yeah, and also, kung gusto mong kamustahin yung like a friend or a relative, anyone that you thought of, and then just message them, ask them, kumustahin mo sila, how's life, what are they doing right now. It's not weird, it's really, really, trust me, it's not weird. Kung ano man, they would appreciate it that you've messaged them. Alam mo yun? Kasi ang ikli lang talaga ng buhay. Hindi mo alam kailan ka kukunin ni Lord. Or, for example, knock on wood, magkaroon ka ng sakit. Aantayin mo pa ba na magkaroon ka ng karamdaman bago mo gawin yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin? 'Di ba? Ang ikli lang talaga ng buhay. Love what you love. Like the things and the people. Be obsessed with it. Be wildly obsessed with it. Ang sarap kayang gawin yung mga bagay na gusto mo, 'di ba? Lalo na kung kaya mo siyang gawin. If you have financial capacity and you're healthy to do whatever that you wanted to do, like, go for it. Do it. Life's too short, 'di ba? Throwing it out there. Be out there. Meet people. Do the things that you love. Look for a community or read a book. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin sa mundong 'to na you only live once. So, make the most out of it, 'di ba? Kasi ano, 'pag tumanda ka, tapos pagsisisihan mo na hindi mo nagawa yung mga bagay na sana nagawa mo nung medyo bata-bata ka pa na kaya mong gawin, tapos magsisisi ka hindi mo nagawa, 'di ba? Oh, hindi mo pa gawin, alam mo yun, gawin mo na. Lagi ko ngang sinasabi, I have this friend that tells me na I'm not the Lulu. Kasi everyone knows that I love K-pop and all that, but it's just that sabi niya, "You're not the Lulu, but as long as you know that you're on the right path or you're on the right track, do love whatever you love." Kaya ako lagi ko sinasabi, "I love you, Jackson Wang." That's so funny. Lagi ko sinasabi, like, super delulu ko daw, like, I love Jackson Wang. Eh, bakit ba? Yun yung gusto ko. As in, wala akong ginawa. Wala akong inisip. Tawa ako. So, papapunta tong episode na to? Delusion ko or so yun, para bang ang ikli talaga ng buhay, hindi mo talaga alam kailan ka kukunin. Kaysa naman magsisi ka pagtanda mo, 'di ba? Kaya mong gawin yung mga kaya mong gawin now, gawin mo na. Kasi life's too short, 'di mo alam kailan ka kukunin ni Lord. Sige ka, bahala ka, magsisisi ka. Kailan ka magsisisi 'pag matanda ka na? Hmm, you know, life's really too short. Love what you wanna love. Be obsessed with the things that you like and be obsessed with the people that like. But disclaimer, please, in a normal, in a normal, meron bang ganun, in a normal way. Basta yun, you get what I mean. Yun lang. Go out there. Be obsessed. Bye-bye!